solamente una vez. Amé la vida solamente una vez. Maybe we shouldn't have trusted the Americano, but we will get our dingo. Y nada más. Una vez nada más en el mito veló la esperanza. La esperanza que alumbra el camino de mi soledad. Solamente una vez.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Kraving Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed, and nothing screams fun like having a great taco night. I put together a really simple pulled chicken for my tacos using my own homemade taco spice blend. We had a few friends over to enjoy our taco fest. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. With a great taco blend comes great responsibility. In a bowl, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Mexican chili powder. If you can't find Mexican chili powder, you can just substitute regular chili powder. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano or oregano if you're in the UK, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. I prefer to use hot paprika, but you can also use sweet if you like. I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and my secret ingredient, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Give this a good mix and press on any lumps from the garlic and the ginger powders. This batch can be bottled and stored in an airtight container, and it'll yield about 7 tablespoons. If you choose to use a store-bought taco spice, that's okay too. Just measure 7 tablespoons and add this to a bowl. I'm also going to add 4 tablespoons of minced garlic, salt to taste, 4 tablespoons of oil, followed by the juice of a lime. Give this a good mix, and you could only smell this. The cumin and the cinnamon makes this so fragrant, and the chili powder and the cocoa contribute to that rich color. I have 1 pound of boneless chicken thigh meat here, and I'm just going to marinate it in this dark, smoky marinade for 1 hour to overnight. When ready to cook, I'm going to add some oil in my pan. I'm going to cook the chicken on one side. I'm going to flip it over and cook it on the other side. I'm not looking to completely cook this chicken, but I do want some charring on the outside. Even though the chicken isn't fully cooked, I'm going to remove it. I'm going to add all of the residual marinade into the pan together with 2 liters of stock. For color and a little sweetness, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix this in and allow this to come to the boil. I'm going to just roughly shred the chicken. It won't totally shred yet because it's not cooked, but taking it apart will help it cook faster in the sauce. Add it back to the sauce and allow this to cook on a low flame covered for about 45 minutes to an hour. Just remember to keep stirring this at intervals so there's no burning. There's already salt in the taco spice blend, but you can add more as required. As the gravy thickens and the chicken gets nice and tender, I'm going to shred this using 2 forks right into the pot. The shredded chicken will get coated with that luscious sauce as it thickens. Once ready, this is great in your taco. Just add tortillas, the pulled chicken, grated cheese, fresh pico, and a slice of avocado. I'm going to add dollops of sour cream and a sprinkle of tahini. This is my favorite Mexican spice blend, but if you don't have this, you can also use just a combination of chili powder and cumin powder. And because I like it spicy, I like to drizzle it with some jalapeno sauce. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Kravings Food Adventures. I really hope I put some ole into your day by showing you this delicious recipe for chicken tacos. It's so easy to make and I love that you can make it in one pot. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, because I have a ton of videos planned for the rest of the year. Also, be sure to share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends so everyone can enjoy all of the great recipes. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I upload a ton of behind the scenes footage there, so make sure you're there as well. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.